Okay, it's Monday, holiday. We're heading out now. It's freaking hot. But we're coming out late at the house because we're lazy. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so finally we're out of the house. Today's the fourth day of the long weekend. We have the fourth and last day. And yeah, we just got out of the house. Yesterday we went out, but it was just a quick shopping at the malls, so the shopping centers. But right now we're heading out to Port Melbourne. I'm gonna sell my Pelican, which is my hard case. I've had it in the Philippines since 2000 and somewhere through that, I forgot. Anyway, I'm gonna sell that Pelican case, and then after that we're gonna head to Lorne or Torquay. We're gonna head to the beach because today's 35 degrees, weather's so good, and yeah, we're gonna have fun. Tomorrow's gonna be work day, so should be having fun today. Yeah. Okay, just in case if you're wondering what this is like a small, I don't know, wart or something. I had to put medicine on it. It's a film. It's gonna burn the skin. It's like salicylic acid, and it's gonna burn. It's gonna take off that shitty thing over there in my eyes. But anyway, just in case if you get annoyed, yeah, it's not something that I left there. It's just something that I had to put there as medication. So yeah, we're heading out on a holiday, and everybody's going home, and the camera's not focusing. Motherfucking shit. Yeah. A long line of people heading back. Yep. Line up. Everybody's lined up all the way heading home. Well, everybody's heading home. We're out here heading to the beach. And yeah, it's late in the afternoon. It's around 5 p.m. Almost 5 p.m. So there's the beach. I don't surf, so I just clap my hands. Yes. We're here at Lorne. We're here at Lorne right now, and everybody's heading home. That's what I've said earlier. We're here.
In Lorne.
In Lorne.
Sorry. Okay.
We're here in Lorne right now, and while everybody's heading home, is what I've said earlier, we're here. And it's already 5 p.m. It's the end of the day. Awesome. Okay, now that we're here, the first thing that we're gonna do, sorry about that, is that we're gonna look for food. Yes, it's one of the most important things we need to do is look for food. Man, we're fat. I'm fat. Today, done with our food tripping, but it wasn't good. Not happy. Not happy. Nah. Heading to the beach now. Yep. So we're heading back somewhere out there because yeah, I really didn't like the food. You like the food? No, I didn't like the food. Thumbs down. And it's kind of cold there. The wind's kind of cold now, so we're heading back. We're not taking a dip. Nah, just going on. Bye. Heading to car and up to another location. St. George River Outlet. It's kind of cold, so we're heading back to the car now. Yep. Cold, mate. Oh, look at that. You can see the haze over there. Really awesome. So yeah, pretty darn cool. Not that much. We've been here for a lot of times. I don't know what to vlog, I'm tired. So as I was doing my B-rolls for today, by the way, I'm at the beach right now, it's nice. I was doing my B-rolls and I was doing a drone shot of the water, the beach in 120p and all those. It was an awesome B-roll. I did some photos. It was really good. Problem is, I hit a tree. While I was backing up, my drone disconnected and I hit a tree. I think it's stuck there. I'll show you the photo of the drone of where it is at. Problem is, it's not on level ground. It's tilted, so it can't fly. So the thing is, yeah, it's stuck there. Can't get it back. Too bad. Damn it. I don't have a drone anymore. Anyway, life goes on. I'm gonna miss that drone. Hey guys, I just got home and yeah, I was flying my drone earlier, and let me tell you the story. I was flying my drone, and first thing I noticed was I forgot one of the control joysticks. So I was flying with only one control joystick. The other one is just like this flat thingy here. So yeah, I was flying with difficulty, and then later on I was enjoying the waves, and I was doing 120p slow motion of it. Really good. The sun was flaring in my eyes, so I can't see the drone. Suddenly the drone hit the mark where you need to return to home because it was low on battery. It was making a lot of noise, so I pulled the drone back to me, that way I can retrieve it. It went over my head into the cliff. I didn't see it, so I was looking at the footage of the drone. It was really good. Like, I can see the cliff, I can see the trees and everything else. It was like a foreground, and it was a good view down the water. I can't really think right now, but yeah, I pulled out the drone, so it was a good sight. So I tried to pull back some more and do a forward reveal shot. Apparently I didn't check what was behind the drone, so yeah, I didn't realize there were lots of trees and rocks and everything else at the back. So I pulled out the drone. Suddenly the drone disconnected, so the drone didn't connect with my remote, and it was just overhead me. It was like just close to me. So yeah, it got disconnected and went to the trees. And to make matters worse, I fly without using the sensor, so I don't have the front and rear sensors. So if there was a tree behind it, it wouldn't know, so eventually it's gonna hit the tree. Okay, and also, as for me, I don't fly with sensors on because it's annoying. The drone stops, so I turned off the sensors. There was no sensor in the front, there was no sensor at the back, and to make matters worse, there was no sensors below it because I forgot I turned it off the previous flight just to hand catch it. Because if the sensor is going to be on, you can't hand catch the drone. So I didn't turn it back on, and I don't use front and rear sensors. So as soon as I pull back the drone, it might have hit a tree or something. It was gone. And the thing is, what I was really wondering was why it got disconnected. Like, it had low signal with my remote, and it was just overhead me. It was just up the cliff behind me. It was just very close. It was just a bit high, but it was just so close. So in order for me to retrieve the last destination or the last coordinates, I had to run to the other side, around how many meters away, and then try to turn on the remote, and I found that the drone was up there. So yeah, I don't know. I might try to rescue it, but I don't know. Okay, regarding that one also, I also had a drone crash before somewhere in the woods. I had the coordinates. I was supposed to retrieve it. So I had this rescue mission. I traveled all the way there, but it was a failure. Oh, that's a spoiler alert. But I'm going to post a video after. Yeah, check it out.